Good morning. Today we are going to read chapter 21, entitled The Promise of Spring. You should have already read the Newsella article and completed the quiz. Remember, the quiz is under the Activities tab on Newsella. Please make sure that you submit it once it is complete. And then you should be previewing this vocabulary with me and reading chapter 21 and answering the questions. The first word that I'd like you to know for chapter 21 is the word deprived. Deprived means suffering a severe and damaging lack of basic material and cultural benefits. Sometimes you may be sleep deprived. That means you do not have enough sleep. The next word is the word sulk. That is to be silent and bad-tempered out of annoyance or disappointment. Somebody who is sulking is obviously annoyed or disappointed about something. And you can see this little girl's face to the right. She is sulking. She's kind of being silent and bad-tempered because she's upset or annoyed about something. All right, those are the only two words for chapter 21. Please head to Google Classroom, read the chapter, and complete the Google document. Don't forget to submit it when it is complete. Have a great day.